How about you, Abby, or Elmo? What are you going to be?
Elmo is still thinking. Me too.
That's okay. That's part of the fun of Halloween, is choosing what you get to be.
Yeah. Elmo can imagine himself in a cape. I can imagine I'm dressed like a grape. We can dress up in any color, size, or shape.
What can I be? I got a great jump shot when I'm playing basketball.
I can imagine that I am a bear. I got a great big snap and lots of brown hair. Elmo can imagine soaring through the skies. Elmo the astronaut is flying out to Mars.
What can I be?
I need to see what's right for me.
What can I be?
I
Ooh.
Very Halloweeny, Abby.
What kind of pumpkin?
A scary one?
Or a silly one. I don't know. We'll help you pick. Won't we, Abby?
Of course.
We'll help.
Pumpkin face, so many shapes all over the place.
It's Halloween, and we can make so much pumpkin and a pumpkin face. Just turn the smile upside down. Those can be lower, those can be higher. Your imagination will help you decide. Count to the pumpkin faces in the window, everyone. How many do you see?
I see one.
There's one, there's two, three. Oh my goodness, we see 4 pumpkin faces.
So many pumpkins.
1, 2, 3 or more eyes. Triangle, squares, or circles any size. Pumpkin face, so many shapes all over the place.
Face of a ghost, or face of a cat, face of a witch, or face of a fox.
Scoop out the seeds and now we're done. Me and my friends have so much fun. Now inside we put a light. Look how my pumpkin glows so bright.
Wow, pretty, huh?
Pumpkin face, so many shapes all over the place. It's Halloween, and you can make so much So, is that the pumpkin face Abby's going to use on Halloween? Yes, sirree. I'm going to ask my mommy to make a whole pumpkin costume to go with it.
Ooh.
Have you decided what you're going to be, Elmo?
Yes, Elmo's going to be a lion.
Cool.
Or an astronaut.
Huh?
Or a ghost.
Oh.
Or a big piece of broccoli.
Oh.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4 possible costumes.
It's Count by Count. Everyone say hi to the count, everyone.
Oh, wow, Count.
You count.
And hello, hello, hello to all of you. That is 1, 2, 3 hellos.
The count loves to count.
And while our little Elmo thinks about his costume, it is time for... Can you guess?
Does it have to do with counting?
Of course, it is time for...
Oh, I know. The number of the day.
Oh, that is right. It's time to get up and stomp your feet to this great foot-stomping Transylvanian beat. Start nice and slow.
1, 2.
And speed up more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stomp away, 'cause we're about to find out the number of the day.
Count and sound with us, everyone. Here we go. What's the number? What's the number? What is the number?
The number of the day is right with Halloween. The number of the day is 13.
So that's the number. That's the number. That's the number. The number of the day. That's the number. That's the number of the day.
13. Now, let's count 13 times.
Here we go, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. A very Halloween-like number. Let me hear you all say it.
13.
Louder, so all of the Halloween ghouls and goblins can hear you.
13.
Wow, that is more like it. I love the number of the day enthusiasm.
We said that so loud, all of the leaves started shaking.
Yes.
The fall leaves are so beautiful. Yeah, Elmo knows all the colors. Wait a minute. Elmo has an idea for a Halloween costume. Everybody, play a game. Okay, Elmo will be right back.
Okay.
Oh, I love Simon Says.
Or hide and seek.
Or how about a game of I Spy?
That is one game I have never played.
Don't worry, Count on Count, we'll teach you. Do you all want to play a game? All right, here we go. Orange is the color we're trying to see. Look around, where can it be? Do-da-do-da-doodly-dee. Come along and find it with me. Do-da-do-da-doodly-dee.
Oh, I see something.
Where?
I spy with my little eye right here on this funny scarecrow. Is an orange hat and an orange bowl.
Great, fine, big bird. Did everyone see my orange hat? One thing that we did see. Let's find two more to make it three. So give it another try to play on time.
Oh, I see something. I spy with my little eye an orange pumpkin. Its face so bright from the flickering candlelight.
Great job, Abby. Did everyone see our orange pumpkin? Two things that we did see. Let's find one more to make it three. So give it our best try and play on time.
I have found something orange. I spy with my little eye. Down here, has everyone seen? One very orange 13. And that is three orange things we have found.
Hooray, we did it!
Five orange things, 1, 2, and 3. Da-da-da-da-do-da-dee. It's so plain, I spy with me. Elmo! You're covered in leaves.
Is that your Halloween costume?
Elmo is a leaf.
Very creative, Elmo.
Oh, thank you, Sam. I love jumping in leaf piles.
Oh, me too. As long as they're big enough.
It's the perfect fall costume.
Yeah, Elmo loves fall.
Me too, Elmo. Me too. Oh, there's so much to do and play on a fine fall day.
Waking up for leaves to jump in, picking apples.
Carving pumpkins.
Collecting acorns.
Harvest fairs.
Making presents leaves.
Oh, there's so much to do and play on a fine fall day.
Squirrels hide nuts.
Birds are on the wing.
And don't forget there's Thanksgiving.
Turkey and stuffing and being thankful. Pumpkin pie.
Until you're born.
Yum, yum. Oh, there's so much to do and play on a fine fall day. And oh, what a scene on Halloween.
Goblins coming out.
We knock on the door and shout.
Trick or treat. Say it with us, everyone.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Trick or treat. And we get something good to eat. Oh, there's so much to do and play. Oh, there's so much to do and play. Oh, there's so much to do and play on a fine fall day. Thank you for spending this fine fall day with us.
Good to see you, everyone.
It's Halloween. Been waiting all year.
Halloween, it's finally here. It's Halloween. Been waiting all year. Halloween, it's finally here. It's Halloween.
See you soon.
Keep on counting.
Bye-bye till next time.
Thank you for helping Elmo and Abby pick out their costumes today. Thank you all for spending your fine fall day here at Sesame Place. Happy fall and happy Halloween.